Hello everyone, my name is Salman Rangan and you are just watching my channel Aicoosoft Video, and today I'm gonna show you how can you all format your pictures or format your video file down into JPG or MP4. So this is the easiest way I will show you. Then first of all, install the Format Factory software. Okay, so already I have installed it, this Format Factory software. Please search it on Google. After that, click on it. Okay, so if you want to format like your picture or video or audio song, this video, if you wanna make it MP4, then call it, just click it MP4. Okay, just add the file. I'll show you some file. Okay, so here video. Okay, I'll get before. Okay, so okay, so start. Okay, processing. Okay, open source folder. If you wanna make it MP3, then choose it. This is the proof. Then you can convert it in any format. So